we will try to avoid all this problem and we will make the system transparent and make it as early as possible.
Now question number 192, Thiru KR and Rajesh Kumar ji. Second supplementary, Sri Thiru P. Wilson ji.
Honorable Minister Sir, with regard to the collection of tolls, sir, in some toll plazas, even after they recover the investment, like land acquisition, laying of roads, toll is nothing but a quid pro quo, but still the toll fees are charged regularly without any reduction. Will there be any constitution of any independent authority? Because there are about 1,000 of toll plazas across the country. At least an independent authority can fix a toll fee by calculating what is the investment, what is the return, and what will be the reasonable toll fee. Thank you very much, Chairman Sir.
Honorable Minister.
Honorable Sir, already our government has taken a very popular decision. There are a lot of people appreciating that. But now there is a pass for the whole year, only with 3,000 rupees. And because of that pass, your cost per toll is coming only 15 rupees. So it is nothing. So there is lot of concession already given to the car owners, and there is no complaint, lot of satisfaction in the mind of the people, and now there is no problem. The problem important is that when we have to construct the express highway, the big construction, flyovers, tunnels, the capital cost is very high. We have a lot of limitation in the government budget, and that's the reason we have to take the toll for that. But one thing I am going to tell you, when we are making express highway, just take the example of Delhi Dehradun. Previously the time was 9 hours, but now it is 2 hours and 15 minutes. So the 7 hours saving is there, and that is the saving of fuel and the saving of the time. And for that reason, we are charging toll for them. So my suggestion to all of the Member of Parliament, now we have given passes also to everybody, the fast track. And now we are changing the total system. There will be no toll nakas. There will be on the fast track immediately that will capture the image from the number plate and fast track, and from your bank account they will subtract that amount. So that is, there will be no need to stop anywhere. So that is going to reduce the all type of trouble which you are facing on the toll plaza. But one thing is very clear. If we want good services, we have to pay for it. We cannot offer all the services free of charge. And by getting that money, we are making roads in Northeast costing 5 lakh crores. We are investing that money in the area where people are socially